and you find Mama Bridget. Because anywhere Mama Bridget, then me dead, you see me? And you see Grimy Dan, me read, bro, and you go some tag into Grimy Dan page. You find Bricky. You see me?
You know, what message do you have for your fans right now? I know I got some music for you that I'm going to be playing right here. But what message do you got for your fans right now that are out there watching and wanting more information on you or want to know what you have going on? What message do you have for them right now?
Alright, you know, it's a big man thing. You have a bag of people that follow my page, and more time me do some things, me do some real, make some progressive move.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
And me see like, them want to give me a down feel there, you see me?
Right.
But me don't know that with all in a game, you know.
Right.
You see me? Man don't want to see you rich and I move to more riches, you see me?
Right.
The more time me see them give me a downfall, you see me?
Right.
But me not watch that. Me still come with something hot and still keep the place hot same way.
Right.
And try to eat my bread. Like how me normally eat my bread. And I try to look some other bread for eat too, you see me?
Right.
And you don't know we have dogs around me and peeps around me, you see me?
Right.
So you don't know. And we have whole heap of bucket around me still, you see me? So you don't know. We have to keep the thing kinda. You hear me? So what you don't know, we don't take a sign from the man in our state. Any man where we are doing it for a state cash and move, you know.
See that?
You see me?
See?
So you don't know, because we just broke in anything, you know, we don't really know, say, we never get so hot, you know.
Right.
So and the long look me that trouble, and a man love my style, I just go and take a piece of food off of him and just do the maths and gone.
Right.
You see me? So right now, me there, when I focus and I license up the thing, then I take time deal with my thing official. And I go and look for my email, and I look, my money, I go and email in my account and them thing there. You don't know, Mama Bridget, you don't know. For certain things for a long way, is a one English Mama Bridget still, you know, Grimy Dan, you know. And then back my most cinema G.
Right, right.
Make right, you get all the interviewers for me right now, you know.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
Because I even like that. More time I even like talk to people, because more time some of them give me some. You see me?
Right.
It's like them want to teach me flow. Or some of them just come around in 1 second. And by me look at my style, me see them with.
Right.
And then them go like them get me, you see me?
Right.
Yeah, man.
Well, as for the music that you're creating right now, it have a different texture to it. Has a lot of dancehall inherited in it. So what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna play a song right here from Brick Boss himself. C4 the Outlaw, real time. We got a lot more to talk about, people. Continue to watch him. This is Brick Boss, real time, and he's here. 25 to life. That's what he says right now. You want to intro this song right here?
Yeah, man, I Brick Boss, you know. I miss if I'm lying, I'm dying, though. Yeah, man. Watch you now, man. 495, you know. Watch you now. You see what they hear, the business is kind of slow.
Right. We're having some technical difficulties right here with Brick Boss. I'm going to call him back right here so we can continue. And guys, remember that this is a live interview. And while it's live, we want to make sure that you guys are aware of the information that hold on for me, Brick. Hold on for me. I just want to make sure that the viewers know exactly what's going on right now. We got Brick Boss here. He's from the inner city, you know, of Portmore right now. And Brick Boss has a lot of stuff that's going on. He's trying to get himself out there. He has a lot of followers on Instagram as well. And his content that he's putting out right now does not really showcase everything that he does in life, in a sense. The next thing is this, is that it's still his content, and he wants to let you guys know that, hey, I'm reaching out to you. Support me. Find me on Instagram and follow and like and share. Alrighty? So Brick, the 25 to life right now that you that I just played for them, how did you come about writing that song? And I know that you said F school and all that stuff, and F the 9 to 5.
I know it's a big man thing.
Right, right.
I know it's a big man thing. I just the vibes that we have links, back and links, and swally past through they can circle up, you see me?
Right.
At the time, we want circle up the place, and me have a nigga named J King, and him have a studio and everything, you see me?
Right.
I know, so I'm going link him and me him the pan. 25 to life.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
I said, John no brick, you know, me if you do that tune, I mean, I say, you know, I told, I read thing, you know. You see, some back on the street and motivate. Enough done stuff, say, watch out, man, no matter how done, say, what, you know.
Right.
You still can make things happen, you know.
Right.
Enough man rise out, you know. Enough man make me seen, you know. We need a scene, you know.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
So I go say, all right then. When you say 25 to life, it's like me just a come from jail then, as I done stuff. All right then.
Right.
The bricky back on the street. Lick the chop of them and get some fresh shit. You see me?
Right.
So I rise up back some youth and say, all right, we'll make them see it. Money spending in the account with chending.
Right.
You see me? So you know, so I just rise up back some dung, so watch out, we can't do it.
Well, I like the way you say that when you said, you know what? I go back and I tell the guys from the inner city, like, you know what? There's ways out there to make money right now. And if you watch what I'm doing, then you can definitely get some footprint, you know, or a concept in a sense. You don't necessarily have to copy my stuff because you don't want anybody copying your stuff. You want to be your own self. You know, you want to make sure that they can see something and not just turn to the guns and something else. You know, what's your take on the current situation that Jamaica is facing right now with the coronavirus? What's going on with the inner city right now?
I know it's a big man thing, you know. Every minute you look in Jamaica, it's like, it's a back up. Every minute you look like every community are locked down. Like, it's like them a back it up in our community.
Right.
Every minute from here, say they are 6 to the 100 hard. Every minute it just a raise.
Right.
Like a all, you know, when chicken with cheap,
right.
It a raise.
Right.
So it come like, that's why you hear me traffic say, all right then. Accorder.
Right.
So like you get away, I suck off everybody something.
You know what? Give me an acapella on that. Try to keep it as clean as you can, but give me an acapella on that because that's a big song right there. As clean as you can, but kill it, man. Come on, man. You know, Brick Boss is in the building. This is your show. This is real time.
All right,
man. Definitely.
Mama Bridget, drive me down outside. All right, then 25 to life. You don't do it like this, then. All right, drive me down. I saw her with in a mouth corner. She drop it there, so they saw everywhere in the city. Corona, it'll beat you well, pity. All right, then, Corona. I caught her. I pinch off, brick it in me caught her. Brick Boss, so me say, all right, what you know?
See that?
The place locked down, but me still outside. When me there, in a Corona, I'm outside. Choppy line, look more for the boat ride. If I'm in the time, I'm lifestyle. Girl, I chop jaws, so you see the fat guy. You know, say, I know the girl never gonna chop the jaws.
See that?
When them see the fat guy,
see that?
never gonna come off of the bed and make with deep for the time.
See
that? And I gonna say, baby, it's just a bricky lifestyle. It's just a bricky lifestyle. All right, I caught her. I pinch her Brick Boss, me caught her. Brick Boss, so me say, I caught her. Me not tell no lie, me say, I caught her.